In Drupal 7, we were able to add custom blocks. We can click Add Block, and we can add a title, description, and body. In Drupal 8, we can do the same thing by going to the Custom Block library and clicking Add Custom Block. The interface is similar, except we have a WYSIWYG on the body by default, and we don't have the region settings or visibility settings presented here because this is actually a block generator. Once we create a block this way, we can add instances of it across our site, and that's when we would set the visibility settings and the region settings. I'm going to go back to our custom block library because I wanted to point out that blocks, like comments and content, have types as well, and we can create new types. I'm going to click types here, and I'll add a custom block type, and I'll call this new block type. I'll click save. Now you can create blocks that have different fields. So if we wanted to add a comment field or image field to this particular type of block, we can do so. And then when we go to add a new block, I'm going to click Add Custom Block with the option of using our new block type. Now this idea of fieldable blocks is something that people have been working around with views and panels for a long time. So having this ability is really powerful.